Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M12, and today I will show you how easy you can remove tempered glass from the smartphone. So as you can see, here I got the tempered glass. So what we have to do to remove it easily and don't break anything, you have to use your fingernail and put it underneath the screen protector. So I can recommend you to start from one of the edge, for example from the upper section of the screen. So let's put your nail right here. And as you can see right now, the air comes under screen protector, and we have to move our nail to the left edge. As you can see, upper section of the screen is not, it doesn't stick to the screen, so we can easily put the second finger, the second nail, and then just lift it like that. Remember to do it slowly and don't break glass. Okay, and as you can see right now, the glass was removed from our M12, and right now we can easily use our smartphone. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!